In this video, I'm going to show how to buy tokens on Shibaswap. If you want to learn how to do this, then watch this video. How to buy tokens on Shibaswap. Okay, the process is very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to download Kiwi browser. You're going to add metamask as an extension on Kiwi browser. The next would be to add the token you want to buy to metamask, and then the last would be connect metamask to Shibaswap, and then you buy. Okay, so I'm going to show you this, but these are the basics. Okay, if I try to explain all this in this video is going to be longer than necessary. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the description of this video. I have videos showing you how you can download Kiwi browser and add metamask as an extension to Kiwi browser, and I also have a video down the description showing you how you can connect metamask to Shibaswap. Okay, so these are the basics. Okay, and also there will be a video in the description showing you how you can add the token you want to buy to metamask. Okay, for example, let's say you want to buy Shiba Inu on Shibaswap. You would need to add Shiba Inu as a token to metamask before you start buying. Okay, so let's move forward. So let's see how these things are going to play out. Okay, so here is my Kiwi browser. If you click these three dots down here, you can see I have metamask as an extension. Okay, so watch that video down so you know how to add metamask as an extension to this browser. Okay, have it as an extension. So what I'm gonna do is to click this. If I click it, I'm gonna log in to metamask. Okay, now I am logged into metamask. Okay, this is how it's gonna look. You can see it says 0 ETH here. Okay, so 0 ethereum. So you would want to send some ethereum to this place for you to be able to buy anything on Shibaswap. Okay, so for you to do this, you just have to go to a Trust Wallet. Maybe you have some ethereum on Trust Wallet and send to your ethereum address here. This is the address. Or maybe on Binance, you have some ethereum on Binance. You go to Binance and send some ethereum from there to this place. Okay, the process is very simple. So once you have some ethereum here, the next thing would be to add the token you want to buy here. Okay, so if we go down here, you can see I only have ethereum as a token here. Okay, that's the only asset here. Okay, so the video in the description of this video is going to show you how to add custom tokens here. Okay, so the process is very simple. Make sure you watch it. So once you've done all these things, the next thing would be to go to here, this thing here, create a new tab and go to shibaswap.com. So I'm going to do that. So now I am on shibaswap.com. You can see my wallet is connected. Okay, I also have a video in the description showing you how you can connect shibaswap.com to metamask Chrome extension. Okay, so once you've done all these things, then you would be ready to buy tokens on shibaswap.com. So to buy tokens, you're gonna come here where it says swap. So it's gonna show you this. Okay, so we are swapping tokens here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna find the token we want to swap ethereum to. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to click this and it shows me this. Okay, so let's say I want to swap ethereum for these other coins. All I have to do is to click them. Okay, so but we want to buy, let's say, Shiba Inu. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to CoinMarketCap and copy the contract address of Shiba Inu. Okay, right here on CoinMarketCap, if I scroll down and look for Shiba Inu, I can use this search here option here to search for Shiba Inu, but it's not too far away. If I go down a little bit, so here I have Shiba Inu right here. So what I'm going to do is to click it. Now that brings me to this place. So what I'm looking for is the contract address. Okay, here where it says contracts, you come to this place and click this thing here and copy it. So haven't copied the contract address, so you go back to Shibaswap. So back here on Shibaswap, what I'm going to do is to paste the contract address I copied here. So you can see the address is pasted, and now Shiba Inu is showing here. You can see the logo down there. Now I clicked that Shiba Inu and then it got imported here. So I'm swapping Ethereum to Shiba Inu. Okay, so basically this is the process. All I have to do now is to put in the quantity of Ethereum I want to buy. Okay, for example, if I type in 0.01 Ethereum here, it's going to show me the quantity of Shiba Inu I can get with that. Okay, so you can see here it says minimum received. It tells me the quantity of Shiba Inu I can get with 0.01 Ethereum. Tells you the price and power, liquidity provider fee, and other necessary details. Okay, so but something very clear here, it says insufficient Ethereum. Okay, because I don't have Ethereum here, okay, to make these transactions. But if you do have Ethereum, the moment you put in the quantity of Ethereum you want to swap, for example, you click that 0.01. okay, the moment you put the quantity you want to swap, or maybe you want to swap the maximum Ethereum you have, you click that max button. Okay, so it's going to show you the details here. As you can see here, it shows you the details, and that's it. You would be asked to confirm the transaction. All you have to do is just to basically follow the on-screen instructions and confirm the transaction, and you'll be able to swap Ethereum for Shiba Inu. And when you go back to your metamask wallet, you would find out that there would be a reduction in the quantity you have here. The quantity of Ethereum you have here would be reduced, and if you already have Shiba Inu added here as an asset or as a token, which I said you should watch the video down here to know how to do it, you would see the value of Shiba Inu you bought. So guys, this is how to do it. It's pretty much simple. If you follow this process, you'll be able to do it. Okay, so this is BricsLBs, and this is your guy Ken signing out.